Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to make a classic lasagna. Just take a look at all of those beautiful layers. So to start, we're going to make the bolognese. In a large pot over a medium flame, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 diced onion and saute that for around 2 to 3 minutes until translucent and softened. Add 2 to 3 cloves of minced garlic and saute that for a minute longer. Add 500 grams of minced beef and brown it well. This step will take around 5 to 7 minutes. You can substitute the beef for lamb or chicken, however the flavour won't be as robust as it will be if you make it with the beef mince. Break apart the large bits of meat into smaller pieces. If you are new to my channel, then welcome. Please take the time to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. I would love to hear from you, so if you have any recipe suggestions, do let me know. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning and 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. This gives it such a rich flavour because I choose to use fresh tomatoes instead of tinned tomatoes. Mix it well and cook it for 1 minute. Add 700 grams of passata. You can find this in jars or in packs in your local supermarket, or you can do what I did here, which is just to grind down some fresh tomatoes instead. I feel that a fresh tomato sauce is just beautiful and you can really taste that freshness. Now add 1 cup of chicken stock. This can be substituted for vegetable stock, beef stock, or even water if you prefer a lighter flavour. Add salt and pepper to taste. Bring this to a boil and then reduce it to a simmer and cook for around 25 to 30 minutes. While the tomato sauce cooks, let's get on with the bechamel sauce. I like to have all my pots and pans going at the same time to save on time and make sure that everything is ready in one go. You want to melt 4 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan on a low flame. You don't want to brown the butter, you just want it to melt. And to that you're going to add 4 tablespoons of flour and whisk that in until smooth. Cook it for around 30 seconds until nice and fragrant. It will smell something like, slightly nutty, but be careful not to burn it or overcook it. Slowly add 4 cups of warm milk. Whisk it to make sure that you have no lumps and cook it on a low heat until thickened. You will know that it's ready when the sauce is able to coat the back of a spoon, like this. Add salt and pepper to taste and then set it aside. Shred 2 cups of mozzarella cheese and then let's get ready to assemble this lasagna. Begin assembling the lasagna in a 9 by 13 Pyrex dish. You want to start the layers with 1/4 of the ragu, which is around 2 cups of sauce. Spread it out evenly, then top with a layer of lasagna sheets. I have to parboil mine because they aren't the instant kind. I parboil them for about 2 to 3 minutes, no longer than that, because you don't want them to break down while baking, and you want them to absorb some of that sauce to make sure that they keep their layers. Top with another layer of ragu, again around 2 cups, then 1/3 of the bechamel sauce. Top that off with 1/3 of the mozzarella and repeat this 2 more times, ending with the bechamel sauce. The trick to making a great lasagna is to keep some of that moisture in the lasagna so it's saucy. Oh, come on, not that kind of saucy, you guys, honestly. My tip for that is to insert 4 wooden skewers into the lasagna facing up. Then cover the lasagna with tin foil so the foil doesn't touch the cheese. Bake the lasagna at 175 degrees Celsius for around 20 minutes. Then remove the foil and the skewers and bake for around 20 to 30 minutes longer until the cheese is nice and bubbly and golden brown on top. Remove the lasagna from the oven and set it on the counter for 15 minutes just to set. Then cut slices and serve. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!